A nice profitable trade here on the 4-hour time frames on Forex Trendy. Watch the video until the end because I'm gonna explain you a few things about this Forex Trend scam. Hello everybody, welcome back to another Forex Trendy episode. Today I'm going to show you which opportunities you can find on Forex Trendy, in particular on the 4-hour time frame. If you don't know Forex Trendy, it's a Forex trend scanner that helps you find the best trending pairs, and there are continuation patterns like flag, triangle, and wedges. Before starting, subscribe. Don't forget to visit my website forexexpert.net. You will find a lot of useful information for your trading activity. Leave a like, leave a comment. Let me know what you think about these videos, which videos you want me to make for you. I'm gonna make other tutorials if you want about, I don't know, continuation patterns and so on. So I'm gonna analyze 4 or 5 trades, even if you see the more of them, but those are still running trades and I can't show them because this is a paid membership. I'm gonna show you the completed one. So the first trade is the euro and the Swiss. We have flag buy signal, break at 0.713. This was a failure, as you can see, because the price continued to go down. It's downtrend pretty strong, so it's very important to set a stop loss, because of course you're gonna win trades, but you're gonna find the losers too. Okay, but it's very important for you to know, I have reliability on medium. If you go on highest, you will find only the best signals. British pound and the Swiss, we have flag sell signal, break at 26.54. So the breakout was pretty good. Then we have a retracement, retesting the trend line, the previous high around 26.96. And then the fall down to 22.88. So a very nice trade for the 4-hour time frame. Nice downward movement. You can profit on this nice price action movement here. Australian dollar and the Canadian dollar. Price action was a little bit too much for me according to my rules. I don't trade at 4-hour time frames, but for example on the smaller time frame I would never have traded this signal. Why? Because this high is higher than the previous one, so it's not a good signal for a continuation, because it's just beyond, okay, the 100% retracement. But we have been lucky. So after the breakout at 92.35, the price retested again the 92.50, okay, and then fell down, reaching the 91.24. So now looks like we have higher lows here, so it may happen that the price will go up, but of course this is not forecast. Let's jump to the USD SEC. Nice trade, very nice one. Okay, I don't see the complete chart here on the left, but it looks like a nice uptrend here, then the retracement. The price is stalling and I'm finding a very strong support at 80.50, 94. The breakout was pretty strong. Okay, no retest, not everything, just a little bit of retest here at 74.46, and then continue to go up. So nice uptrend here, reaching the 9.0341. So a very nice trade, a huge one. Remember, when you're trading the exotic pairs, you will find bigger spreads. So it's up to your broker You need a specific strategy for exotic pairs. This trade is still in progress, so it's not worth to mention or to analyze. I will analyze it in the next videos. Those other trades too are still in progress. So for today is everything. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're using Forex Trendy on the higher time frames. I'm trading the smaller ones like 5 minute charts. I am day trader. So stay tuned. See you soon. Bye bye.